welcome once again to our Rockstar VA. Alrighty, hello everyone! Ayan! Hi, hello sa ato ang mga viewers daraan na side, no? Before I, of course, introduce our very, very uptick and very kuyaw kaayo nga guest speaker, though nakita na nila nga to ang guest speaker for tonight. Ayan, let me just probably put myself first into... Alrighty. Okay. So, welcome to another episode of the Rockstar VA show. And of course, we had this initiative to again give, awareness to everyone. What is this industry all about? With that, we've invited different experts from our very own agency to be talking around their very own experience in the industry. Because I know a lot of people right now are curious what is this industry is really all about, and of course what are the perks, what are the realities, no, basigma expectation versus reality ta. So that's why we are here to really bring you real stories and real experiences from our very own experts. And without further ado, I'd love to introduce our speaker, our guest speaker for today's episode, no other than no our training officer. And I think, without her, the Profile Academy wouldn't be who we are or wouldn't be where we are today if without her, because she was really the one who really started through this branch of ours. And she handled actually three batches for the profile graduates, and we have 50 plus, I think, total of graduates for our first three batches. We've done it live before we had it as an online course. And I'm pretty much excited to be having her tonight because I know that I myself would really gonna learn from her, especially about balancing motherhood and career. And as what our title says, of course, we have with us here our guest speaker, Marsha Bertoldazo. Hello, Marsh. Good
Hello, good
evening.
evening. Yun ba ang viewers, Miss Ken? Kay mahilak
Nana
na
sa
ko.
9 million.
Para ma-inspire ang tanan, hilaka na lako ni Dayon.
Ayan, mga maabot na dyan ng 10 million viewers. But
Oo.
Marsh, again, thank you so much for, sharing your energy with me tonight. And I know a lot of people, especially mothers out there, would really gonna learn from you. And of course, no, without further ado, I'd love to probably have you introduce yourself, a bit about you. When did you start to be part of this industry? And then, yeah, something about yourself so that our viewers get to know more about.
Okay, thank you, Miss Ken. So, again, my name is Marsha and I've been here at the job interview for almost 5 years. Tama ba? For almost 5 years now. I started here, no, zero knowledge. Nagsige lang jud ko paminaw kay Miss Ken sa iyang tutorial videos. Ano lang, ask sa mga team members until sa nagyapon ko hantud diri karon, di ba? Who would have thought na magdugay ko diri sa pagiging VA and um yeah, kanang I started good na wala jud experience niya karon kay nahimo kong training officer, by the way, na naka-experience ko ma training officer sa the profile niya. Hangtod sa lead generation lang ko ato, tapos naging akong virtual assistant, ana good na kana pa lang na mga ma-recall na ko karon no kay makaano jud no nahala nag-grow jud ko career wise. Ana good wala day ko naging stagnant kanang o kana siya. So kana lang I've been a VA na for almost 5 years. So that's it po.
All right, thank you, Marsh. But before you've been in the industry, what was your previous role? And then, yeah, walk us through like from your previous load, and then what led you to be part of this industry?
Thank you for that question, no, Miss Ken. Pila na ba mga viewers kay hila ka na gid ako ni.
15 million na.
Kana. Pero before day ko no before na ako na ilhan si the profile, nagiday kong operations manager sa isa ka local resort diri sa among area. Actually, it was my dream job ever since
Mm.
elementary ko. Kana jud ako ang dream job.
Mm. Mhm.
And so far no, maingon jud na ako na si Lord kay ano jud ko niya kanang palangga. Kanang tanan gusto na ako no kay buyag-buyag ya jung ihatag ito experience sa kuha. So
Amazing.
kana ever since elementary ko gusto jud ko mag-manage og resort. But unfortunately po nag-hit ang pandemic.
Mm.
So kailangan na ako mag-choose kato nga time and I'm so scared no na kana sa labi na ang kanang industry resort pa jud daghan jud kay mga tao ana gani so na-decide na lang jud pud ko na um magsettle sa pagiging VA or kana mag-work from home ko ato that time and
Mhm.
nakita po na ako ang pinsan ato nga actually dugay na pud siya VA na inspire po ko ato sa iya ha. So kato, mao jud to mo ang main reason ngano ko na adto or na diri sa pagka-VA because nag-pandemic and then nakita na akong opportunity sa industry na ni.
All right. Thank you for that, Marsh. And I think I've remembered also back then na mention gid na nimo na that was your really dream job gid nimo to before ang pag-handle. But sometimes life would really gonna throw us unexpected circumstances na makaingon jud ta ba leading yun ni Lord gani, because I know Marsh for sure na with the status na you have right now ba being kana a mom and so on, mas na appreciate nimo hopefully ang kanina industry, like especially work from home. So my next question, contestant number one, ayan, is as a full-time mom, Mars, no, as a full-time, I mean VA, because right now you've handled a full-time campaign with one of our Australian clients in the healthcare industry. So as a full-time VA and a mom, how do you manage balance on both roles effectively?
Um to be honest no dili man ko nga na good ka organized nga person and that is why kailangan jud ko makaisip og unsaon man ako ni pag-handle labi na first time mom jud ko na tapos ano pa jud kanang breastfeeding ana gani kay gusto lagi jud i-hands on pero unsa man mo pag
Yeah.
hands on kung wala pud kay money on hand gani jud ka mag-work o
Ma-hands
tarong
off sa
hands off og hands on. So, ang mag-create jud og perfect structure kana gani o kanang madisiplin mo imong self kay dili man pud ka ka-function well kung dili pud nimo ma-take care imong sarili ana o kana kung kana perfect structure lang jud for yourself kana routine kana create your own routine jud as much as possible mag-create jud ka na ma-feel mo productive ka, ma-feel mo nga dili ka nakapabaya sa imong client at the same time di ka naging pabaya as a mom or sa imong self jud ka na. Don't forget pud na mag self-care. So kana po siya scan.
All right. Thank you for that, Marsh. And I think seeing you syempre no, like, marag, 1 hour away man nato ang mga syudad. Tama ba? Ay,
Mm.
dili, mas layo pag kay sa Pantukan, baka, Marsh, no?
Yes po.
So,
Tapos
mga,
mag-Australia na po. Charot.
praise the Lord! Ayan, no, declaration. Ayan. So, with that, Marsh, ba, like, ma-amaze ko because I'm also seeing your post on Facebook. How are you very hands-on, Jod, kay Tanggol, and yes, Tanggolits, diba? So, very hands-on, and then you are really appreciated man jud pud sa to ang client ever since we started with Nazmi. Always gid niya ma-mention na he really appreciates your work and so on. So, like,
Naz.
can you walk us through when it comes to like allowing yourself to be at the best in everything that you do? Because I think that really shows up yun in whatever kanang makita na mo sa mo ba, like as a mom and as a VA as well.
Um, I allow jud pod Miss Ken na myself na mag-ask og help sa others. Kana siya po kay dili man jud na naman jud tao no labi na kanang mga first time moms na gusto jud ka maging super kana gusto ka ikaw the best among the best nga ana ganito pero mabuang man ka kung ano lang no, kung dili jud ka mag-seek og help. So
Mm.
thankful lang pud ko sa people around me, sa sa TP ana gani. And of course, akong client na super ka ng supportive pud kay sa kuha. Ako na lang pong ano no naunta ma-inspire ang uban. Very supportive jud kay akong client, buyag-buyag. Gitagaan niya gift, gitagaan ko niya gift, cash gift katong time nga nanganak ko. So kato siya nakapalit ko og washing machine. Dagan gyud baby at that time tung nanganak ko. So gamit jud kaayo to siya.
Mm.
So kana lang po nag-seek jud ko og help kung kailangan jud nako, and ako pong gina-keep in mind na if ever ka na mapabayaan ako kung client akong trabaho, so wala jud, and I need to do my best as much as I can to help, to be a blessing no sa ako ang client, and also pud na maka-inspire man gud jud na naay mong anak kung kita
Yeah.
lang nimo dira kauban nimo, so magana
Mm.
gyapon ka mag-work, so kana po.
Awesome. I think murag na-mention ako ni last time, no, during our last episode, that when you take good care of your clients would gonna take good care of you.
Yeah.
And it would really gonna reciprocate. Like the energy that you give in to other people would really gonna reciprocate. Like if you are going to share like service, for sure it will gonna bring back to you as well in different forms. And kana murag mo po na isa sa siguro murag gusto na ko i-highlight no na as being in the space for quite a while, murag moingon man gud ang uban na murag there's no like for example kanang ladder. Of course, wala man kanang unlike in a corporate setup man, there's like ladder that they are for promotion and so on. But
Mm.
for us also as freelancers or as VAs, I think once you give your all out value to your clients, murag if they would gonna appreciate it, muhatag yun silang mga gifts, cash gifts as what you've mentioned. And they are also the ones na mag-ingon na, okay, I want to give increase to this VA kay she's been really giving value towards me. Kanang dili na siya kailangan na mo climb up ka to the ladder na murag needed na, di ba murag, sadly this happens kanang murag kumbaga sa uban ba na corporate setup na murag kailangan jud mo pakitang gilas to the point na murag madrag na
Compete.
ka og yeah, makompete na ka, mudrag na kag other people just to be on top of that ladder. But I think here, wala man good kay like, murag, the only competition that you have is yourself. Tama? Ano ka, Marcy? Would you agree sa kana nga ano? What's your feedback
Yes,
around that?
yes. I totally agree jud Miss Ken, and mag-reflect man lang jud imong trabaho. Ako kanang kunyari dili jud ka good sa imong client or imong relationship sa iyaha or imong ginabuhat, wala mo lakaw gud siya. Kay kana pud ako ang na-learn no as a VA.
Mhm.
Ako lang insert na clients come and go. So always do your best jud kana as much as you can, kay have a good relationship with them. Try to
Yeah.
understand culture, their company, ano
Yes.
jud. Ako, I'm so happy lang jud and blessed. Ako ading client no, ma-mention lang pud na akong almost 2 years na jud me. Hopefully no kanang continue siya to December. Alam na.
Yes, no, and sige, go ahead, Bar, sorry.
Kato siya, wala lang, happy lang ko kay dili man kaysa about money no, pero kanang maka ano lang sa heart or nahalaoy na pa jud gihapon siya, so meaning happy pa siya sa ginabuhat nako ana gani.
And congratulations for that. Actually, murag, if you really put so much value to your clients or the work that you do, you become irreplaceable. Kana ganing mo ingon na jud ang kliyente, and I remembered in the past, di ba, na marag, na jud nga na circumstance na, you know, you are really irreplaceable to the point, di ba, Marsh, I remembered na marag mo
Yes,
resign unta ka ato na
yes.
time because mo to first time mom, you wanted to focus, but ni-adjust jud ang client sa imuhang terms, sa imuhang kaya, as long as mo stay ka because there's so much value sa imong
Yes.
yeah, para makakilig siya, diba? Tama na remember jud ako,
Oo.
ano, diba? So,
Yes, that is
can you
true.
share? Sige, can you share
Nadiri
a
akong
specific,
screenshot ha sa lang di makita sa
please
mga
check that.
views nadiri ako. Click lang the link sa
Diba, marag amazing jud kayo. Tama, di abot sa point na ingon
Oo.
ana ba? So,
Tama,
can
tama
you
di
share
kayo.
to us specific moment, no, or kanang achievement na made you feel proud of the work that you have done?
Actually, daghan na jud kay kog clients na handle. Daghan na ay clients na nasuko-sukoa, pila lang ko ka months. Lahi ba na dugay-dugay pod. Lahi ba gud yung industry, lahi og kailangan anak. maka-proud siguro jud no kanang many daghan man jud oy pero ako lang jud no kay kanang every time ma-appreciate jud nila ang imuhang ginabuhat. Na alam mo na maskin gamay lang to pero dako dayto nga impact for them para sa ilahang company. Tas dili
Yeah.
lang man good ikaw ang mura gibuhi sa company, daghan mo. So
Mm.
kana maka-help lang jud, maka-happy lang na sa part ka sa company ba na naka-help sa ilang mag-grow, na maka-increase sa ilang income, sa ilang
Mhm.
sales,
Mhm.
kana siya. Pero kanang specific jud, wala kayo jud ko'y mahunanan kay sa dili kay sa pagiging ano yun ka ng hambugera pero guys.
Yes.
Sa link dire, ang list of achievements na dire sa link.
Yes.
Pero
Go ahead
bitaw,
na.
kana jud, kana lang gid akong main goal o kana kung murag feel ako mo na akong purpose sa VA ang maging blessing sa ilaha kana jud ako ang ginahuna-huna.
Yes, and I think I remembered one time. I forgot if it was Nazmi's campaign or others' campaign na murag na-jud kay na close na great deal for
Oo.
a certain client. You know, as a lead gen expert, kay sometimes na good people would think ba na murag ay ang tabaw sa VA walay murag way bili, murag way value, but
Mm.
guys, a lot of times na murag na namin mga na-encounter na murag losing siya nga business, and then just because of one deal that we've reached out, they were able to recover. And for Nazmis, I believe a lot of expansion has happened because of also, the way we've supported, or personally kamo ni Ellen, mga marketing team nila din, no,
Yes.
how you have supported them on the marketing side of their business, which is
Yes.
really like valuable jud siya kung ato gid silang pangayuan og figures, for sure $1 million gyud na ato ang murag na brought in sa ilahang business, no. And with
Mm.
that, no, that being said, Marchek, how has working in the VA industry helped you grow professionally?
Um, grabe jud siya kay it forced me no to learn a lot of skills, especially skills na need ko online na magamit ko online in terms of communicating sa foreigner, 'di ba? As what I have said earlier, I have zero knowledge. All I know po is posting on Facebook and IG, yan lang po. Hanggang
Mm.
sa dumating ako sa point, 'di ba, nag-reverse ako sa Tagalog.
Ya ka basig natin mga Tagalog
Oh,
viewers
baka
dira
may
ano
mga
sa.
Tagalog pa tayong viewers dito, no? So,
Yes.
dapat what subalit sapagkat ako'y magsasaka ng sa buka gid dito ba man ani. Pero bitaw, gana siya. It forced me no to learn a lot of skills na dapat na akong ma-learn. In understanding cultures, kana siya.
Mhm.
And then, mag ano og mga technicalities. Um, so kana siya para sa ko ano dako jud pud kay ko career growth diri sa pagiging VA na ako. Again, I started as a lead generation expert. Who would have thought na magiging trainer and then magiging VA? Ang VA kay, dati, all I know, ang VA kay ano lang, internet, nalay type. So, sa VA, everything man di ay, kanang kung sa office work pa, kung na-assistant ka about documents, dili lang kay ana, pwede gyapon ka mag-call o mag-cold calling, ana gani, daghan jud ka ginabuhat as a VA. So
Mhm.
kana siya, makaingon jud ko na I'm proud of myself na ilakan na nako ni ha kay
Pila ka na dagan na 20 million viewers na ta.
20 million views mo ano ilakan na nako ni gamay. Makaingon jud ako no na I'm so proud of myself kay karon mura kog maka-recall jud ay na parang kailan lang jud Miss Ken na nag-start ang the profile and then
Yeah.
karon billion na ba ni nga company?
Ay!
Kailan
Declare natin yan. Yes.
So kana as in guys kung maano lang jud pud ninyo sa una enjoy kaayo nga nakita pud nako no na nag-grow jud on the profile na mas enjoy pa jud sa feeling na na kami magkakapatid actually na ako'y duha ka kapatid dire puro mi sexy no na naagid mi tanan dire sa the profile na grow mi dire kauban ang company so kana po.
And I'm very much grateful, no, for the trust, like inevitable sisters mangyod. Grabe man jud ka inevitable, like
Shout out sa
work
mga
ethic wise, skill set. character kanang excellent good ba, and you could have, kanang have a lot of opportunities outside, but kanang you staying in the company is kanang something also that we're really grateful for, no, na you really stayed with us from the start, na as in murag about faith lang yun tanan, kanang faith lang kana magka-client lang yun murag out of like siguro 10 ka VAs nalay tulong nga na ay client, and the rest is kanang by faith lang yun, but you really stayed with us up until this point that we've really built, great client retention, like clients stayed with us from since 2020 up until now, and then 2 years na sa atua, and that is because of course the work that you have done. And before ko mag-proceed, Mars, no, daghantag mga ay nay mga natay mga comments. Ay, Popsi, wait. I think murag mas kompleto ang mga comment section dali. Ayan, so let's check. Ay, nana mga nanigog na, Mars, ang mga Ayan,
Opo.
I think one thing I'd love to highlight, no, one of the graduates of Team Exodus, si Kath, who's right now with us as well, thriving, like
Oo.
have her own personal clients as well. So, naging siya kaway-kaway Team Exodus. So for sure, good credits to how you have really trained them. From Michael, no, 50G cash. Ayan,
Pero
siya.
imahin ninyo ha, imahin.
Ay, nanay, naipasupport na alasay. Ayan, tapos na yung mga pastar, go, Marsha, back to back ang speaking engagement. Ikaw na, Jud. Wow, so gikan pa dahil
Again,
sa,
yes.
ay,
Sa mastermind
grabe.
session.
Ay, grabe na, Jud, no? So, hi, Miss Marsha. Ganda naman. Go, Birds from Laila Ibita. Your mom?
Oo po, yes.
Wow, grabe.
Thanks, Kurtz! Pa-send ng star.
Ayan, lahat ng gadget sa bahay naka-tune in. Go girl from your sister. Ayan, from Charita Vertudazo. Ay, wow, naipatag yun. Grabe ang mga support sa mga kaparyentihan. Dira,
Yes.
Mama, ano na yung mga nanak ko sa TV?
Hello, guys. Thank you, guys.
Proud minimo from Maki Lamudok. Ay, grabe na
Ah,
good.
thank you. Wow.
Daghan dyan kayong mga no? So, I'm sure na professionally, these people who have commented have seen you grown good
Yes.
from this industry as well. Now, how about when it comes to the personal life, no, Marsh? Let's dive deep towards that. Like, how has becoming a VA positively impacted your personal life?
Um, grabe lang po siya ka sabi ko jud Miss Ken paulit-ulit no na blessing talaga ang pagiging VA. You don't need to commute na mag-go ka sa inyong workplace.
Mm-hmm.
No toxic people, no dramas na kailangan nimo i-handle kay wala man kay unfortunately no as naman jud mga workmates or mga corporate people na ang ginagawa lang is chismisan or mga fight
Mm-hmm.
yan. So walang toxicity. Um working na nakasama ang son ko, iba sa feeling. I can't even imagine no kanang mga mama actually my eldest sister um my eldest sister kailangan siya mag work dayon na ang iyahang baby iya nagibilin wala pa 6 months tapos breastfeeding siya ana gani meron ako unsa ka hard na siya nga feeling
Mm-hmm.
emotionally physically ana
Mm-hmm.
tapos that's why maingon jud ako nga grabe ka blessing. My husband kay away man siya working overseas. Um hard dud sa iya no na di niya makita ang ubang milestones sa among baby.
Mm-hmm.
Pero ako kay naka-work ko and then makita na ko ang milestones sa akong baby. So imagine lang jud ang difference gani no ug ang sacrifice pud ba. Um that is why I actually want to become a blessing jud sa akong mga clients kay makita mo pud nako good nga unsa good ko ka bless na nag-work ko as a VA. People may see VA jud na murag baba lang kaayo ang ilang tanong sa mga VA kay naa lang sa balay, wala
Mm-hmm. May
uniform,
ligo.
may
May ligo.
ligo, baho dili ay. Just comment down below sa
So, nakarelate?
the link is here. Kanang makita nila ka kanang VA na lang sa balay. Kana lagi tinuod usay way ligo pay panudlay no ana. Pero Ang datong. Ito lang,
Yeah,
tingnan. Kailangan pala pa ba't datong na. Ang uban siguro
kana.
no, lucky ka anak. Pero grabe, kanang kung ano lang jud ninyo ba, madig-in pa ninyo kung unsa gani ang feeling, unsa ang pagka privilege nga isa ka VA kana jud lahi. So, lahi jud siya impact sa ko ang life. Ma-appreciate jud kay nako tanan-tanan. Makalaag ka, basta na internet, ana gani,
Yeah.
pana po.
All right. Yeah, that's really amazing. Actually, I can total but like kanang if there's one thing that I'd be very grateful of in this industry, yes, given na there's really a chance for you to earn much. In fact, like it's real magyod na, there's really like a great way for you to be earning really huge amount of money. But more than that is what I really appreciate. Katong namamanasad ko ka murag dungan-dungan na manggita Mars na murag magulang lang
Mhm.
at ako isa ka tuig or
Yes.
months lang gyud is that I am being able to kana gyud kana makita jud ang milestone, 'di ba? Murag mo man jud na ato ang gi-highlight sa imo ang ano jud kay ana jud ko ka Tenazalte si Marsha gyud kay na-appreciate jud kay nako like imuhang baby right now is kana naga-schooling, 'di ba? And then ikaw jud every time na na-event sa school, naa ka to
Mhm.
really, be with him every step of the way. And I think one thing that you've mentioned, 'di ba, very challenging shock na your husband as a seafarer, tama ba ko, Marsh?
Yes po.
Um, kanang working kanang away from you. So I cannot imagine pa ba na kung ang setup nimo is still the same before na nagwork ka sa kanang sa resort, 'di ba? Kanang murag I think life would really be like different yun, but I
Yeah.
love it that, appreciating those little things. Kay, as I've mentioned, makarelate jud ko because karon magud March ano na to ang landing page sa TP Academy ba? And I'm really trying to tell my personal story about the industry. And dito na ko na-appreciate ba na hala, in just, this span of time, the growth when it comes to career-wise was really huge. But more than that is personal appreciation good. Totally, I agree with you when it comes to traffic kay karon bitaw kanang magato lang mig downtown ba niya maabtan gani kag ting sana kanang peak hours na
So,
daghan na kayo ting kadagan labi na dagi sa Davao daghan na kayo og kanang mga
mhm.
pasahero ba maglisod og sakay ana gani niya kapoy pa sa trabaho mas kapoy pa sa travel niya another thing pagka morning wake up na pod earlier than your duty kita kay di ba murag 5 minutes lang. Pwede
Yes.
kayo, okay. Diga ka mo turn on sa computer. And I think those are the areas good na marag, we should really be grateful for. And
Ah,
mo to gina-encourage bitan ako in my post, Jud. Guys, I'm really encouraging you to take a chance in this opportunity kay makaingon jud ko na if you really have the grit, if you really have the passion, and just the determination to excel in this industry, for sure, you will really gonna thrive. And before ta mag-proceed sa tong next question, napaday mga napay mga comment, no? So laban mga inahan from Ate Air. I'm not sure if na ano ni mo siya before, but kauban na to siya before March here sa TP. Ralph, Evandor, hi, good evening. For Teresa, how po? You mean, ma'am, how to become a VA? So we will discuss that after the interview. And then, kanikaw, ano sa daw ni? Hello, T.O. from Atenazal. From Maki Lamudok, pila ang sweldo sa pagiging VA, mga ma'am? Ayan, very, very straightforward. Now, if I may be honest, like it really differs. It differs on your client. It differs on how many hours you put in. It differs on the skill set that you do have. And that's what I love about this industry because, you will really earn based on the value that you give. 'Di ba? Compared sa kanang murag normal setup ba na, bisan pag ikaw ang pinakahawd sa inyong office, parehas ra mog sweldo kung same level lang mo og kanang position sa imuhang workmate niya, siya petics lang and so on, same
mhm.
amount of money you are
Yes.
receiving. But in the VA industry, the more you upskill, the more you bring more values to your clients, the more hours you put in, the more income comes.
Mm-mm.
So, kung pila ang sweldo, I could not give you exact figure, but it really depends on, again, the value that you bring in. And that's why in the profile, we really make sure that our team really upscale. We really make sure na we bring more clients, kaya wala nagalimit as to one client. If kaya pa ni mo, go, 'di ba? So for the go, more clients, more income. So go Mars from Charito Vertudazo. Ayan, we have 29 million in the room. Hello. If you have any more question, no, especially sa tong guest speaker, ato na gyud ning ikuan na time kay mo ato na ba ni siya ka Australia. But ato ni i-value na time na ma-interview gid nato siya based on her very own experience, because I know for sure that we will really get gem out of her very own experience. Marsh, no, I think we've talked about like the positive. And as I've mentioned earlier na, in this podcast, we will really gonna bring them reality of this industry. So
Mm.
I would love to ask, no, what are the challenges, no, have you faced as a VA, especially as a mom?
Um, kung as a mom jud ha, yung time lang na by the way, I delivered my baby no via CS. So, kana siya katong healing process lang sa ako ang physically sa akong body. Um, tapos kato tas kailangan ako ma-cope ang akong mga tasks at that time. Kato lang siya pero kung as a VA jud ako since first time jud na ako no na naging VA, zero knowledge pa jud ana. At first, ang ako adjong struggle or challenges is communication and kanang mga technicalities. But
Mm-hmm.
lucky for me, grabe ka supportive on the profile. One chat away lang kung na may mga errors or mga little mistakes, naa sila to support, to help, to guide unsay dapat buhaton. So mo na eventually na ano man gyapon na conquer lang gyapon ang mga challenges, na kaya lang gihapon og fix ang mga little mistakes ana gani og naka-learn pud og lessons from my mistakes na ngani dapat mga gamit buhaton. So pero as a mom ano jud kana ano naman gud ko uy kanang basta howd na ko as a VA like
Not June. I love the energy and confidence.
wala dili bitaw katula as a mom kato ang pag after gid sa cooperation dito lang kay nagano pa lagi bag-o pa nag breastfeed pa jud niya kanang CS pa jud niya murag luya-luya pa gamay. So kailangan na maging laban inahan versus pan as a VA ana gud na maging utana na ang client, how are you? I'm fine. Kasi nga nagkatugon gyapon. Laban lang ana pero katulong man pud so far kay grabe man gud kaayo ka ang foreigners good ba di kay client lang pero ang pansin nako ha kanang based on experience ang foreigners grabe sila ka understanding.
Yes.
Jud ba sakit mo ano ka sa corporate no sakit ang akong ulo or nakoy lain ako ang nakoy hilanat ma'am sir ay kanang ano kailangan pag mga medical certificate and all ana gani dire kay kanang sakit mo ha ulo take a rest sige
Yeah.
na paid ka ha okay lang rest na ka ana good so di ba ako
Agree.
ka na maskin so kana so far maula man jud na oy pero in terms of work makaya-kaya namang jud og pangutana, mapakaya-kaya og research. Kana don't hesitate or jud or di kaya don't be shy to ask your clients kung na kay mga di masabtan or na kay mga gusto i-clarify ana para to avoid mistakes na lang pod. Pero other than that na mga challenges wala na jud pod ko kaayo mahunahunaan misken.
And I totally agree with you, Marshba, when you mentioned about like having really a community. Like even if to those people who are watching, though of course you would really be glad that we will be the one who will be guiding you through. But even if you're not going to go through with, our community, you will not enroll to our course. But having the right community would really gonna help you to thrive in this industry, because 'di ba, when you say freelancing, people think ba na you will gonna do it on your own, and you could really still be successful doing it on your own. Pero makaingon jud ko, I've been a freelancer for a year before I built the profile, and lahi pud ang feeling na naa jud kay team, na makadaganan if ever, na kay mga questions, or if ever, na kay mga things that you need to to learn, especially mga unknown things. So very helpful yun that you have the right community. Plus, ganan jud kay ko sa imo ang na-mention na, clients, foreign clients, based on my experience, they are the most understanding people. And tinuod jud na you don't need to file pa medical ano to prove nga nagsakit ka and so on. So, ilahan lang jud sige, i-cope up lang. But of course, no, mulang gid pud ni ang amo ang murag ganahan sad as to how we built our kanang culture ba, because even if our clients don't see us physically, even if, our clients kanang, kumbaga, pwede ka gyud naiuban, daghan kay ko ma-encounter na mga kana during gani mag-sales call commerce, daghan ko ma-encounter ba mga clients mo na kung wala namatay ang ang uncle, wala nabagyuhan, nag-brown out, ana na mga excuses
Mm.
ba. And for me, if that's the kind of value you have, kanang imo lang is flexible and so on, and then you're not honest, believe me, if that's the kind of mentality you have, I would not encourage you to be part of this industry. Because even if the clients don't see you, even if the agency or do not see you, but basically if that's the kind of mentality you have, someone above is watching. And dili jud ka, if you cannot be interested in small things, therefore you will not be interested in bigger ones. So
Yeah.
I think it's very important that values should really be aligned as well for you to really be successful in this industry. So
Mm.
thank you, Marsh. And I love it ba when you mentioned as well na kanang murag wala na ko'y makita misken na murag challenge gyud, because nagamay na nimo ang industry.
Mm.
Nagamay na nimo imong role, and that's true gyud. Especially if kabalo jud ka, like people watching right now, kabalo ka na kay potential, kabalo ka na kung ikaw mo trabaho a player ka, this is really like the perfect industry for you, because as what I've mentioned a while back, every value that you give in would really gonna come back to you. So, go na, laban.
Mm.
Okay, sige. So, what advice would you give to other moms who are considering this, as their career, Marsh?
Um, my advice is I know lo no if is especially for the first time moms na uh you want to kung wala kay work right now and then you're just not just but you are um hands-on sa imuhang anak, and then for sure kung naaman sa imuhang mind na gusto pud ka magka-own income, gusto ka maka-help pud financially sa imong family,
Yeah.
if arisgada lang jud ka nga person,
Mm.
kaya jud kaayo nimo mag-VA
Yeah.
and maging
Mm.
mom at the same time. Na I
Mm-hmm.
mean mag-hands-on sa imong mom. Ay,
Mm-hmm.
hands-on sa imong anak. Pwede po sa imong mama, no? Kung anong successful, kaya nimo go. Why not, chok not? Um, kada lang, if, if, just contact the profile, no? Para kung gusto ka, para ka na, kung gusto jud ka magka-income, gusto ka maka-try as a VA, go, kaya jud na siya. There are plenty of job opportunities there is sa ing-ani nga industry.
Mm.
You don't need no to jump dayon sa kana mga high, ano na kaayo level nga position or di kaya sa mga ingana nga skill sets.
Yeah.
As long as kanang feeling mo kaya nimo ni or willing ka na mag-andog mga online courses, mo join og mga online courses para lang jud magkaroon og skill set,
Mm-hmm.
magkaroon og knowledge. Kana basta arisgada lang jud ka, kaya jud kaayo maging VA. Ang imo lang puhunan po is device nimo,
Mm.
internet, o kana and determination. So
Yes.
you can do it as long as you have the right mindset and then you are willing to learn.
Mm-hmm. I
So yes.
love that. Ayan. So thank you so much for that, Marshall. And I think it's really different coming from like a mom like you, good ba? By the way, pila na ba ang edad di tanggol? Para basig ang uban ba would gonna have an idea na dili
One
17
year
years old
old.
iyang anak. Guys,
1 year old si Tanggol, 1 year old. 18 months, ay, hindi siya 18, 16 months man siguro ni si Tanggol. Let me ask ha, kay ano siya kasi, ano siya,
how old
parang
are
may
you?
siya, kapag tanong siya, how old are you? May siya, hala daw kay 1.
So cute, grabe. So, 'di ba, murag, I think I love it when you mentioned as well ba na kanang murag woman empowerment too. I think murag we are in a world right now wherein in guys, sapakon man gud ta sa reality na dili na jud makaya na isa lang ang naga-income sa
Um,
family. So to those who are, moms out there na moto you are just at home, this is the perfect career for you because you wanted na hands-on kasi mohang mga anak. And tama to ingon ni Marsha na you start from from little by little until such mabot sa point na you would really gonna grow in this career. And makita sa nimo like ako gani Marsh karon na kanang murag bata pa siya ba makaingon jud ko na dili pa ko maka full blast. Di pa ni siya full blast. How am I showing
oh,
up right now? Dili pa na siya full blast, guys. Kaya na
oh,
ako'y
what if
2-year
full blast
old.
na ni?
Na ako'y 2-year old na anak. So, hands-on sad kayo ko sa akong bata. And I think murag ka na ang ako ang murag makaingon jud na, kanang, this is really like, Lord, salamat. Kaya niabot sa point na we can do two roles excellently at the same time.
Mm.
So, one last question I have, Marge, before I let you go, no? And again, if to those who are watching, 16 million people who are watching right now, if you have any question regarding the industry, anything na mahuna-huna ninyo, just put it on a comment section. And my last question for you, Marge, is for you, what is a rockstar VA?
A rockstar VA for me, no, kay not only a person that excels in their task, but also give positive attitude, um, strong communication skills, and also building jud a good relationship with your client.
Mhm.
Again, clients may come and go. Posible po ang 6 digits sa virtual assistant sa pagiging VA. Nakatry na ba ko? Pero
March 2025, that's the goal for everyone in TP. Mojud
yes,
na ang goal. Like, I'm so
claiming.
excited.
Si Miss Ken ha, naka-live man ni so ako ni i-claim.
Yes! Yes! That's the goal.
So kana siya kana just build a good relationship with them. Love what you do. Um try to become a blessing jud. After
Mhm.
that kanang maano naman jud nila ang value nimo.
Yeah.
Ilaha jud nang makita ang imong value na
Mm.
dili na lang yun sila ka-let go sa imuha. And if
Yes.
ever grabe pa sila ka-generous, mabuyag-buyagan pa ka, matagaan pa ka og mga gifts, mga bonuses, ana.
Mhm.
Or better pag yun, dalun ka sa ilang company, ana, daghan jud possibility.
Mhm.
Um, so, be a rockstar VA, ana,
Ah,
just ano jud, appreciate everything and be a blessing lang jud. Mag-follow lang maguna tanan-tanan after kung kana imuhang mindset.
yes.
Kay kung imuha lang ganing i-take advantage ang working from home. Matingala na lang ano man ni nawala akong client na pod, sige na mangita na pod ka, nawala na pod.
Mm.
So, basig dili na ang client ang problem, na sa imuhang
Yeah.
mindset. So, na siya. Kana po, Miss Ken.
Wow, that's really beautiful to end this conversation. That it's not just about the skill set because to be honest, skill set can be learned in just one sitting. Kung kaya ni mo whole day magtutok ka course and everything, kaya gyud siya. But it's a matter of heart set and mindset. Heart set in a sense that you really have the heart to support and help your clients. Because if you do, they would really gonna feel it. And again, if you take good care of your client, they will be the ones who would gonna take good care of you. And also the mindset of not just being, allowing yourself to be in mediocrity. That's why I mentioned Marsh na my goal really for 2025 is everyone gonna be earning abundantly 6 digits. That's really like the goal. That's the kind of community I am eagerly building right now. Like the next level of TP. We're done with those, di ba? We started magid sa una na kanang struggling when it comes to pagkuha clients, come and go, Lord. Dala po na
Mm.
wala ang kliyente, this and that. And then, nabot na sa stage of like building the stability na at least na ay stable income to each and everyone and diabot ta ana. But the next level of ours is everyone inside our circle would really gonna be thriving, being successful in this industry, earning and living the life that they want. And I'm so much excited. I have full of energy knowing that it is done. And I'm, again, for those people who are watching right now, this is the perfect time for you to really dive or drive with us in, because we are in a space of momentum. Like, people or our previous clients, previous leads really come to us because they feel that we are in momentum. They feel that we really are eager to be in our mission, and that is to build thousands of opportunities to Filipinos. Be
Mm.
top of mind in this industry and deliver world-class services for our clients. So to those people, no, mag-plug na ko before we end up this show, March. Ayan, so to those people who are really curious, no, and really willing to na curious na ka, you are inspired of Marsha's story right now, you're a mom, na gusto ka mag-thrive, or even a person, a career person right now na gusto ka mo try og side hustle to start with, if that's the kind of vision that you have, or you really wanted to thrive in this industry. Again, as what Marsha mentioned a while back, you have to have a perfect community, and you have to have, well, reality ni siya, guys, the right skill set in place in order for you to start. Now, I am inviting you to enroll in our course. So just simply visit in our website. If you're not yet ready, just simply get a copy of our Unlock to Your Path to Success as a virtual assistant. If nakulangan ka, we have a lot of podcast episodes already in our YouTube channel. You can visit that. But if you are the person right now, I'm speaking to you, and you are ready to thrive and have this opportunity working remotely and really being part of this momentum that we're building right now, everyone living life in abundance, be part of our community by enrolling in our course. So, what are your expectations among course? We have 4 modules in place. We have, becoming a rockstar virtual assistant. So, this is where we will be supporting you with when it comes to the character, the soft skill side. And then, of course, we have for the module 2, unleashing your inner creative genius. So, if you are a creative person and you know that you have the talent, natural talent, or even if you're not, like ako, I'm not naturally good in graphic designing, but with the right tools that we will be teaching you over here, everything can be done. If also you wanted to monetize, you wanted to, you know, kuan ka into social media, but you are not earning from it and you wanted to utilize that, become, of course, in module 3, this is where we will be supporting you on how to become a social media superstar. And lastly is we have additional unlocking the power of bonus skill sets. So some more of the tools that is really relevant this day. So plus, of course, no, kana ang mga modules, guys, worth na gid na siya. If I'm gonna give it a value, minimum of 30,000 pesos in value. But what you will be getting pagyud is that you will have a monthly group coaching call with me. I myself. No, I will be doing live group coaching call to all of the enrollees, and that would be on a month to month basis. Plus, this course that we have built right now is you will get a lifetime access. So anytime, anywhere, pwede nimo siya tan-awon, pwede nimo siya balik-balikan. And then we will be doing also practical exercises and assignments. So I'll be giving personal feedback with all of your assignments. And more than that, again, sa gi-highlight ni Marsha kaganina, community. Having the right community in place. So again, the beauty about the Profile Academy is we have a mother agency, so which is the Profile. So if we can see a potential in you, you would really be part of our database. Actually, once you graduate, you will be part of our database. And in that database, our clients would gonna, review, visit, all of the VAs available in our database, and then they would choose who to hire. Ana siya kanindot sad. But more than that, we will give you the freedom to get your own clients. Why problema na, as long as, we can support you in whatever way possible. Try to visit our website. Again, if you're asking, is this opportunity for me? If you are someone who is looking for flexible work-life balance, diverse range of clients all over the world, grabe na career opportunities, endless opportunities, financial independence, professional and personal development. I want to highlight that because every time we do mastermind session with the team, especially next year, there would be a lot of mastermind sessions. You will be part of that, and of course, great community. So guys, you will not be paying, actually, in total value, if I'm really gonna bring like value out of that, that's really 100,000 pesos, but you will not be paying not even 50%, not even 20% of that. But for now, we are offering it for 3,429 pesos only, guys, but this is limited. We will gonna increase our price by next year. So grab this opportunity right now. And wait, there's more. This is how confident we are with what we are offering. We will be offering money back guarantee. So if you happen to review our first lesson and is not satisfied with the content, 100% money back guarantee, no question asked. That is how confident we are with the modules that we've prepared, with the kind of value that we do have. And again, you can review more of our experts, experiences in our agency and enrolling in our course. Plus, if you have more questions, it will be answered in the facts section. So, guys, what are you waiting for? This is the perfect avenue for you to start thriving in this industry. Again, this is Miss Ken. I'll be your virtual coach for the first course that we have launched, which is the Rise of the Rockstar VA. Perfect for those people who have less or no experience in this industry. And we will be having more courses to come. And I'm very excited with that, Marsh. And hopefully, Marsh, you will get back to be one of our virtual coaches. I'm excited for that. Dako kay tag-version good mastermind sessions for next year. I'll be giving more information about that during our monthly call. And with that being said, again, guys, thank you so much. This is Miss Ken. And again, we have with us here Marsha, our training officer, and right now really thriving, the Rockstar VA of one of our dugay na sad na clients. That being said, thank you so much, everyone, and have a great
Thank
night.
you.
Marsh, thank you so
Thank you
much.
again. Thank you, viewers.
Bye. Welcome once again to our Rockstar VA